my darling FUMINATION. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you guys are so very welcome indeed. How are you, my darlings? Are we loving the beat? Are we loving the hair? Are we loving the fit? Let me go through everything. So first and foremost, this, my darling, is a fabulous kaftan by ENITAN. Let me just go back so you can see what I'm talking about. It's all the way long, as you can see, all the way long, and it's just such a fabulous, 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 easy kaftan that you can wear out, you can wear for errands, you can wear in the home, meeting guests, to the beach, on vacation. It is absolutely one of my favorites. And you know I am the kaftan queen. I just feel as if ENITAN just did this specially for me. And because I love kaftans, I wear them a multitude of ways. So you can wear them as a strapless dress, you can wear them with one shoulder, or you can wear it traditionally where you just put it over your shoulders, both shoulders, and you will see that on the website. But I just thought this is so much more glamorous. It's giving me that glowy skin, healthy kind of look, and I just love this. I just take my little bag and I am up and out of here. The makeup, my darlings, is Barbie, because we're doing Barbie world. Let me just bring these for you. COLOURPOP sent me Barbie Malibu, must have been over a year ago, and I hadn't used it. They send you so much PR, it's just really truly hard to keep up. And so I hadn't had the opportunity to use this gorgeous, fabulous palette, and that's what I have on my eyes. And just look at the palette. Isn't it fabulous? So they sent me that, and then they also sent me fabulous highlighter, darling. That's the glow. I am addicted to highlighter. I live for it. I really do. And so this one was what I got. So I wear like a darker highlighter, and then right on the cheek right there, I can always highlight it higher. For the glamour, baby, for the glamour. Then we had lippies, and I decided to use their nude for this one, you know, because we have the premiere. Yes, my darlings, we have the film premiere, and everybody is going goo goo gaga over the clothes. So I said, you know what, Fooms, come and do Barbie hair, 70s vibe. We're going to get to that in a minute, and we're going to use the Barbie makeup that you got in PR by COLOURPOP. Okay, and let's open this one, because I think they gave me 3 different shades. So let's see what this is all about. Ooh, this is like a mauvey pink. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeousness. We have lashes, which I am wearing. I know some of you must be saying, Fumi, where's the tutorial? There is a tutorial for you guys. There's a tutorial, because you guys are just fabulous. So you're going to have the makeup tutorial after this, and then you have like a crimson pink. Do we live, do we love? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now, a lot of you will be saying, Fumi, your hair has changed. You usually have it all pulled up in a bun. Well, as you very well know, I'm transitioning, because I have now discovered the fabulous hair studio, which I consider to be hair therapy. You guys are going to live and love episode 1. It's just, oh. And so I'm going to be wearing wigs, and I needed to find glueless wigs, because I just don't care for the glue. I just don't. I think it's so much more natural when you have like your own hair. And because this is like a yaki, you know, it kind of mimics my hair now, because I'm no longer texturizing it. So I know some of you must be saying, Fumi, give us the deets. All right, I'll tell you right now. What happened? I reviewed the Met Gala red carpet, and here come Keke Palmer looking flawless. and I lived for it. I lived for the hair. I lived for the glam. She just had a baby. And for the first time, I looked at Kiki Palmer as a woman. And I said, say, what now? And I live for you. FUMINATION, I love you. I love you. I love you. You're my sisters. And you know me so well. And I cannot wait to get to know all of you. And I know that will be an impossibility because we're kind of going to 1 million now. Needless to say, a whole bunch of you in the comment section of that episode, and I'll link it below, said, for me, don't worry about that, sister. That is the Letitia wig. And if you like that wig, you will also like the what? You will also like the Julianne wig. And that is what I am wearing. It is a synthetic wig, the Letitia wig, which I'll also review for you guys. And of course, the Julianne wig, which I have on my head right now. I have this actually on my Amazon storefront. I tried to get it from the US. It was an impossibility. And then Amazon had it. So I was like, say what now? Oh, yes. So I ordered it. And I think it was like £50. And so was the Letitia wig. I will also do a review on the Letitia wig. But this, my darling, is the beautiful Julianne wig. And do you know what? I loved the 70s. I think my mother is the most beautiful woman on the face of this planet. And as a little girl, she wore this. Do you remember? We're going back, way, way back, because I'm 54 now. And do you remember 3 Degrees? Do you remember Donna Summer? We cannot forget Diana Ross. When these girls stepped, Tina Turner, when these girls stepped up on stage and they gave us glamour, I think that was the first time, that was the first inkling that I said, I don't know what I want to do, but I want to do something fabulous. I want to do something glamorous. And I would sit like this and I would watch my mom get dressed. And she was so pristine in applying her blue eyeshadow. And she is still the most beautiful woman I know. She was so glamorous and put together. And she'd get her hair done. And this is how she'll come and pick us up from school. And I would tell other children, wait till my mom comes. Wait till my mom comes. That's all I would say. My mom is coming to come and pick me up. Do you want to wait until she comes? Because my mother came dressed like this. White suits. She would wear skirt suits, 3-piece, with a waistcoat, with the jacket, and she would show up like this. I lived for it. I would look at her and I would say, who are you? I live for you. And I think it's like that with all little girls. You look at your mom as an icon, and my mother was an icon. I will try and do story times for you on my mom and my dad, because now that I'm a parent, I realize that they had lives before they became parents. They had lives before they had children. They were fabulous. And I want to give them back their identities, you know. And so that was how I ordered the number 2, because I just felt that it was softer. It was softer on me, and it would give me that glow. And I love it. It's synthetic, and we're going to go through the whole shebang, okay? I got it from Amazon relatively super, super, super fast. And I live for it. So you're going to see me wearing these wigs. So that's the intro, my darlings. Let us get into what? Let us get into the episode. So here, my darlings, is the beautiful Julianne wig. And it's not heavy. It's so pretty. So pretty. It says a fully hand-tied 13x6 lace wig. HD transparent soft Swiss lace. Fully hand-tied 13x6 frontal. No plucking required. Baby hairs. Adjustable wide elastic band. Heat styling friendly. I mean, the wigs of back in the day are not the wigs of today. So look on the inside. You have the weave in front, and then at the crown, you have the beautiful lace front. And they are absolutely right. The lace front is fabulous, and it's got that natural hairline that you don't have to pluck. I am very grateful for this because I don't know how to pluck a natural hairline. I'm just really learning now how to wear these kind of wigs. Back in the day, the wig that you had kind of just covered, you know, and that was it. You didn't have lace front like this. All right, so I'm going to put a cap. Yeah, you have to put this on. And I'm going to put that right over my hair like so. Yeah. So I'm going to pull this back a little bit. And I'm going to use a brush and bring out my own natural hair in front. You don't really have to do that much. Okay. There we go. Once I've done that, I'm going to put on the wig, but I have a very small head. It has a band in the middle here, which is quite fabulous. So you can adjust that to your comfort because you want the wig to be very steady. Okay, especially for those of you that do glueless like me, you have options here, my darlings. So I make it super tight, and then what I do in the back, I make sure that I have the hooks all the way tight because I have a super small head. I don't know why. Okay, so you take the band and you go over, right over, adjust the wig and pull it in tight. You should have something like this, and as you will see, you have the netting. Okay, just want to make sure that it is super tight. Now, because my darlings, I am not doing glue. That's just not my thing. It does not mean that you cannot do it. You can do it. It's just not me. I take my L'Oreal Magic Retouch and I spray over it and I match it to my hair. And then I cut the lace front. Okay, there you go. Voila, I love this. I just kind of tease it out. The curls are there. Don't even worry about it. You can bring this forward because I like for the hair to have body. So I really just brush it out and I take it all the way back. There you go. And it just falls in place. I brush this out from the inside so that it gives that kind of Farrah Fawcett feel. And that is it, my darlings. That is it. It truly has its own personality. And you will see that when you play with it. And you can use your hands and just pull it like so. It's such a fabulous wig. I have been looking for something like this forever. And I just did not know until you guys, honestly, until you guys told me. And I was like, oh wow. And that was it. Things changed drastically. And there you have it, darlings. There you have it. Literally, the curls just stay and they just move around, and they, I guess what I'm trying to say is that it becomes more and more beautiful. It becomes more and more beautiful. I really live for it. And it's fun for me. You're going to see me wear this a lot. And you can have it back and it just works. So if you are looking to wear a lace front wig without the glue, do it this way. It works for me all the time. Easy to put on, easy to take off, and the time, you're good to go. Nothing to think about. You're on your way. So this, my darlings, like I said, is the number 2, and it is the Julianne wig. It's absolutely perfect. Perfect hairline, absolutely. And go about your business, my darlings. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know down in the comment section what you think, and I will see you guys sooner than later. Do not forget to what? To like and subscribe, my darlings. Okay? I love you. Mwah. Bye.